Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our cooking channel today and welcome to my kitchen. We're doing a wonderful artisan bread. This is a traditional rye artisan bread that we're going to be baking in our Enamel Dutch oven. And we'll be showing you all about that here. I've gone ahead of time and measured all my ingredients, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you what's in here. And it's 1 3/4 cup of white flour, 1 3/4 cups of rye flour, a teaspoon of caraway seeds, and I didn't use a packaged yeast. I use this, and if you read on the bottle, it tells you how much, but it is 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast that you put in here, half a teaspoon of salt, and you mix this up together real well. These artisan breads are so simple and fun. We have a lot of them. If you go to our channel and if you subscribe and hit the like button, you will be able to see all of our wonderful videos that we have, and we do have a lot of artisan breads. And what I've done here is, it is 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of real butter, you've got to use real butter, and a half a cup of molasses, which I love this molasses, this Brer Rabbit molasses. It's a full flavor, just a really, really good molasses that we love to cook with. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this in, and it's just warm. You don't want it too warm or you'll kill your yeast. So you pour this into your flour mixture here. And this dough is sticky. And I'm just going to mix this up real well, let it kind of form a ball. Then we're going to cover it with a towel, place it in a warm place, and let it double in size. And then we'll take it out and knead it. And then we're going to go ahead and do the second rising in our Dutch oven here. So we'll see in about an hour. It depends on how warm your home is, but it takes about an hour to an hour and a half for your bread to double in size. You want it to double in size. What I'm doing here is just kind of getting this all mixed together and forming it in a nice ball. Get all that flour and everything mixed together. You want it mixed up real well. This is a fun part, getting in here with your hands. Oh my goodness. I used to watch my mother do this when I was little, and I have to admit, I really do love bread. Any kind of bread. Okay, I'll keep working this together and form it into a nice round ball. Cover it, put it in a nice warm place. But as you can see, you got to work it just a bit to get all that mixed together good. Okay, our bread doubled in size. It took a good hour because my house is kind of cool, as you can see here. Now what I'm going to do is put it out on this nice clean floured surface that I have. And I'm going to knead it 5 or 6 times. It's important to knead this. I probably got a little carried away with the flour here, but at least my dough won't be sticking. And then we're going to put this in our Enamel Dutch oven that we've got right here. You know what we like to do? We like to line it with parchment paper because it's really easy when it's done. You just lift it out of that Enamel Dutch oven, which works really great. And we are baking this today in our oven at 425. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes, take the lid off, and bake it for another 10 minutes. And that's where it gets that nice golden crust. All right. This is sure going to go good with dinner tonight. So see, that's all you do is just kind of form it in a nice round ball. And after it has doubled in size, what we like to do is we put a crisscross on the top of it with a sharp knife. Okay. Okay, our wonderful rye bread got done, and I wanted to show you how handy this is. This is so great that we lined it with parchment paper, our Enamel Dutch oven. Of course, we baked it in our oven here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lift this out. Look at that. Now, of course, we're going to let this cool for a bit. Then we're going to slice it and have it with our dinner tonight. You know, we love it when you guys join us. And of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this. This is a very, very wonderful bread. And remember, in the description below is all of the ingredients, everything that I put into this is in there. So if you miss anything today, it's in the description below. Thank you for joining us. Hope to see you again. Thank you.